For more than 40 years, Lyco Manufacturing has been the leader in cooking and cooling pasta, rice, vegetables, dry bean hydrating or cooking, and chilling food service hot-filled pouches of soups and sauces. We have over 850 systems throughout the world. Our passion is developing the best customer-aligned, innovative food processing machinery in the world. Lyco's Innovation Technology Center is state-of-the-art. This space has become an essential part of our business for the last 30 years. We realize that purchasing new equipment is a significant investment. So here at Lyco, we have a 5,000 square foot testing facility which showcases our latest technologies for blanching, cooking, or cooling of your products. Our highly skilled development staff has decades of experience, and they will work with you to test different processes and methods to be certain you identify the appropriate recipe, machinery, and proper sizing for your specific application needs. For hydrating, we have moisture analyzers and shear presses along with data traces for tracking heating and cooling curves. So if you have any testing or product development needs, we invite you to schedule a time to visit Lyco's Innovative Technology Center. We are located in Columbus, Wisconsin, just 30 miles north of Madison. Please call our office at 920-623-4152 and ask for a sales representative. Or visit our website at www.lycomfg.com.